What's up YouTube, it's your buddy MattFox13, and today we just got in the mail. Well, we got it sent to us through UPS, and I haven't opened the box yet, but it's a remote controlled pen tilt. And I mean, I seen this and I thought, okay, you know, let's try it out. I mean, it looks cool. It comes with a little remote, and you know, it shows on here. You can put your phone on here, your GoPro, and even a camera. So let's open this up and actually see what all comes with it. So oh, it actually comes with, I guess this will make a third one of these that I've actually got now. And comes with this little deal right here for your phone. Oh, that's pretty good. Let's see. I like the way how it looks. I guess this goes on the back here, or oh, it clicks like that and goes, or just clicks, just goes over it. That's what that piece is for. Let's see. Comes with the remote. See if it actually, at least they put batteries in this already, but I'll probably take the batteries out of this and put actual name brand batteries in it. Let's see if it works just right out of the box. Yeah, it actually works outside of the box. So see what else. Well, you know, they did add a cord, so that's good. And well, they did not add okay. So it's the power button. This well, they didn't add a charging base to it, by which, you know, mostly everybody, you can use your phone's charging base for it if you use a USB charger. So practically everybody does now these days. So I got this from my Beat headphones. So real quick, just plug that on the side. Now, to actually plug it in is this top one right here that says in. And it shows a red and blue light like cop colors, but well, it shows the red and blue light like a cop. So but we don't want to charge it because it's already got a charge. And I guess too, for people that use their GoPro or even an action camera, it has an out right here. Well, so where you can actually plug this cord in, or even a GoPro cord, which this is the opposite type of for Android phones and everything else in action cameras. Actually, this is actually for my Xbox One remote, but at least then I can charge with the battery that's actually in that. So okay, first things first, let's actually, oh, it's got like a little thing right here. So turning it the wrong way. So now let's just put that onto there. Okay, let's turn it on. I guess right here where the B button is to make it actually the camera go downwards. A is to make it go back. It's kind of really slow whenever to go forward and backwards. See how far it'll turn. Well, I wish it done like it could do a 360 spin, but I guess not. I mean, they probably make faster ones than this, but you know, here I got this one on Walmart.com for practically for free because I had gift cards that I got from the apps that I use to get free gift cards. So if you want to see how I get free gift cards, go check out my video how to get free gift cards. Okay, now set that aside. And you know what, I'm going to take one of my old phones and see how it does. Well, try not to break it. I mean, it seems like it turns pretty good, but I mean, I wish it turned a little bit faster, and whenever you go forward and backwards, well, yeah, to go lean it back. But you know, like I mean, this thing, it ain't like all the expensive ones. I mean, there's more out there that's way more expensive and that costs a lot more. But we got this one. You know, we didn't really have to pay for it, so. And I'm not gonna complain about it because, hey, you know, let's actually try. This is my dad's old Sony HD camera, so let's see how it does with this. Kind of looks like how a security camera looks. if you ever watch like a movie and you see the security cameras move, you know what, I wonder if it'll actually speed up if you actually, let's try this and see if this will work real quick. I don't know why they put an antenna on this remote. I mean, but oh well. I mean, like I said, it doesn't move really fast, but I mean, it was cheap, and like I said, I ain't gonna complain about it because I didn't really have to be out no money on this. So if I know you can get these on Walmart.com and on Amazon. I guess this one is the YT260, but if you're good at wiring things or soldering and everything, you could probably be able to. Oh, it's got a little deal down here too. You can probably put this onto a tripod and do it too. So, but like I was saying, you can probably rig up something to make it boost it to where it'll turn much more and do. But I mean, right now I'm not gonna mess and take it apart and try to wire it or do anything like that right now. But I mean, I'd give this a thumbs up. I mean, at least it works. I mean, it's not too fast, but hey, I mean, it turns, goes forward, backwards. It didn't cost a whole lot, and like I said, you can find these on either Walmart.com or on Amazon. I got mine on Walmart.com. So, but until next time, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, sayonara.